All right, on day 15 of the 100-day ukulele challenge, what I've got time for is one quick cold read from the Daily Ukulele and Rise Up Singing. So what I'm doing is the arrangement from Daily Ukulele, but with the chords from Rise Up Singing. So it's basically D minor, C, D minor, C, D minor, C, bopping back and forth. Okay. What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor? Early in the morning, way up she rises, way up she rises, way up she rises, early in the morning. Yesterday, when I went to do a quick sight read of The Drunken Sailor, I discovered that my copy of Daily Ukulele, I had scribbled all over Drunken Sailor with all sorts of notes, which last night when I glanced at them, I couldn't begin to discern, but today I went back and looked at them. And these are all coming from a video by Matt Dahlberg, who does a really nice version of this. And so I'm going to go ahead and teach you the very, very basics of it here, but I really refer you to his video for all the details. Okay, that first line is this. What do you do with the drunken sailor? Okay, so what's that? Got your fingers on the D minor chord. You're going to leave them there for the whole line. So we're going to strum that D minor, and then we're going to go down to that open A and pick it 5 times. And then play your D note, your F note, your A note. Okay? So strum A, D, F, A. Now we're going to move our fingers. I don't know what you call this one, so I'm just going to have called that special pattern, because you're going to put your index finger, or any finger really, on this 3rd fret of the E string to make a G, and then you're going to mute that bottom string. So just rest another finger on it to mute it. So if you listen, like this rings out, this kind of sits there dead, right? So we're going to strum that now. Strum, and then 5 G's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then a C. Lift your finger up to do the E. Put it down to play the G. Okay? Let's do that kind of special setup at the beginning. Strum, G, 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 C, E, G. One more time. Okay, that's the second line. Let's go ahead and put that first line and the second line together. So we've got D minor, special, okay. The third line starts out the same as the first, but it's a little different near the end. So we're going to strum our D minor, go ahead and pick those 5 A's. Now we're going to drop down to that bottom string and play B, which is the 2nd fret, C, which is the 3rd fret, and D, which is that 5th fret. Okay, so let's try that. So I go D minor, A, B, C, D. Okay, one more time. D minor, A, B, C, D. Okay, our final line is starting on the C chord. We're going to do a strum. So this is for early in the morning. Okay, so it's strum. Lift that finger up to play an A. Now a G. Now a E. D. D minor. And I just caught myself on that. That D, I usually play my D with the 2nd finger. Here I really want to play with my 3rd because that sets me up to do that D minor for the final strum. So, again, that's strum, A, G, E, D. One more time. Strum, strum, A, G, E, D, 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 D. Okay, the 4th try that all together. What can you do with the drunken sailor? What can you do with the drunken sailor? What can you do with the drunken sailor? Lie in the morning. One more time. What can you do with the drunken sailor? What can you do with the drunken sailor? What can you do with the drunken sailor? Lie in the morning. And that's Drunken Sailor as arranged by Matt Dahlberg. Sort of. Go see his video for a better version.